Hello everyone, welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Myself Naveen, I am the Maths Mentor. And today's session, let us discuss about 4-mark important question from the chapter Ellipse. Right? So the question is, find the eccentricity. They are asking to find first question, eccentricity. Second one is coordinates of foci. Third one is length of lattice rectum. And the fourth question is equation of diathesis of the ellipse 9x square plus 16y square equal to 144. Totally we need to find 4 problems. Four topics. First one eccentricity, coordinates of the foci, length of lattice rectum and equation of diathesis. Children, is it clear? Question what they are asking to find. So given ellipse is what? 9x square plus 16y square equal to 144, right? So what is the standard form of the ellipse? X square by a square plus y square by b square must be equal to 1, which is the standard form of the ellipse. I think what is given here, 9x square plus 16y square equal to 144. So let us express the given ellipse in the form of standard form. Okay na? So what to do? Let us divide it by 144, 9x square by 144 and then 16y square by 144 is equal to 144 divided by 144. 9 1 ja, 9 16 ja, 16 1 ja, 16 9 ja, 144 1 ja, 144 1 ja. So that is x square by 16 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. Children, here what is a square? Here a square equal to 16, that implies a value is 4. And b square equal to 9, that implies b value 3. అర్థమైందా బిడ్డ? ఇక్కడ x స్క్వేర్ బై a స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ y స్క్వేర్ బై b స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 ఫార్మ్ లోకి మనం కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకున్నాం. ఇక్కడ a స్క్వేర్ వాల్యూ 16, that implies a square equal to 16 means a value what? 4, right? And b square equal to 9, that implies b value 3. Okay, now let us find the first question, that is eccentricity. What is the formula for eccentricity? E equal to root over a square minus b square by a square. What is the formula for eccentricity? Root over a square minus b square by a square. We know that a square value what? 16 minus b square value 9 by a square value 16. Root over 16 minus 9, that is equal to 7. Root 7 by root 16 means 4. So what is eccentricity? E equal to root 7 by 4. Children, once again you try to remember the formula. Eccentricity, it is going to be represented by the letter E. The formula for eccentricity is root over a square minus b square by a square. That is the formula of eccentricity. Coming to second question, that is coordinates of foci. Coordinates of foci, that is plus or minus AE comma 0. What is the formula for coordinates of foci? F equal to plus or minus AE comma 0. So that implies plus or minus a value what? A value 4 into, just now we got E value, that is eccentricity root 7 by 4 comma 0. Children, 4 gets cancelled. So eccentricity equal to plus or minus root 7 comma 0. What is the eccentricity? Plus or minus root 7 comma 0. Yes, that is our second question. Coming to third question. What is the third question? Length of lattice rectum. L equal to, what is the formula? L equal to 2b square by a. Length of lattice rectum formula, L equal to 2b square by a. 2 into, what is the value of b square, children? B square value 9 by a value what, children? A value 4. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, which is equal to how much? 9 by 2. So length of lattice rectum, L equal to 9 by 2. Now coming to fourth question, equation of diathesis, that is x equal to plus or minus a by e. What is the formula for equation of diathesis of ellipse? X equal to plus or minus a by e. X equal to plus or minus a value what, children? A value 4 divided by we got the value of E is root 7 by 4. So here nothing in the sense 1, I can write as plus or minus 4 by 1 into 4 by root 7. So x equal to plus or minus 4 into 4, 16 by root 7. So let us do cross multiplication. Root 7 into x, root 7x equal to plus or minus 16. So root 7x plus or minus comes to this means again it will become plus or minus 16 equal to 0. Is it clear, children? Yes. Yes. Now coming to second problem. If the length of lattice rectum of an ellipse is equal to half of its minor axis. What they said? Length of lattice rectum of an ellipse equal to half of its minor axis. Half of its minor axis. Yes, that is our problem. What they are asking to find? They are asking to find eccentricity. E value we have to find. Children, did you understand the question? If the length of lattice rectum of an ellipse is equal to half of its minor axis. We know what is the length of lattice rectum of an ellipse? L equal to 2b square by a equal to 1 by 2 into what is minor axis? As minor axis is 2b, children. Actually minor axis is how much? 2b, right? Yes. Now let us cancel 2. We can also cancel here b as well as b. So 2b equal to a into 1 a. What we got? 2b equal to a. Children, did you understand? Length of lattice rectum is 2b square by a equal to half of minor axis is 2b. So 2 gets cancelled. Here b gets cancelled. We have 2b. Cross multiplication a into 1 a. Now what they are asking? They are asking to find eccentricity. What is the eccentricity formula? E equal to root over a square minus b square by a square. We know that the value of a is 2b. I mean 2b whole square minus b square by a square. 2b square in the sense 4b square minus b square by a square. 4b square minus b square, that is equal to 3b square by a square. So children, a value we did not substitute here. So here also let us substitute a equal to 2b. Here also you substitute a equal to 2b whole square. 2b square means 4b square. Here also you substitute 2b, that is 4b square as well as 4b square. I can cancel b square. So what we got? Root 3 by root 4. Root 3 by root 4 in the sense root 3 by 2. So what is the eccentricity, children? As we got the eccentricity is root 3 by 2, which is the most important 21 board model paper question, children. Don't confuse. Simply they are asking to find eccentricity a square minus b square by a square. We got the value of ab 2b. Here also 2b we substituted. We got eccentricity equal to root 3 by 2. So problem number 1 and problem number 2, what we have discussed now, they both are 21 board model paper problems. Okay, children. Now coming to third question, find the eccentricity, coordinates of foci, length of lattice rectum and equation of directrices of the ellipse. 9x square plus 16y square minus 36x plus 32y minus 92 equal to 0. So children, what is ఏం చేద్దామంటే x square terms let us write one side. 9x square minus 36x. And then y square terms 16y square plus 32y. And then constant minus 92 equal to 0. Okay. Now if you observe here, from these two terms I can take 9 common. 9 into x square, 9x square. 9 4 the 36x. Now from these two terms, if I take 16 common, 16 into y square, 16y square, 16 2 the 32y minus 92 equal to 0. Okay children, Listen carefully. 9 x square I can write as x whole square. Yes or no? Yes. Actually, which is in the form of a square minus 2ab. How can I write as 4x? I can write as minus 2 into a value x and b value 2. ఇప్పుడు 2 ని 2 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 2 2 జా 4 into x 4x. Again we got 4x only. కానీ మనకి ఏ ఫామ్ లోకి వచ్చింది ఇక్కడ? a square minus 2ab ఫామ్ లోకి వచ్చింది. ఇంకో టర్మ్ మనకి ఏముండాలి యాక్చువల్ గా? ప్లస్ b square. a square minus 2ab plus b square which is the formula of a minus b whole square. అంటే మనకి ప్లస్ b square టర్మ్ లేదు. If you want to add at the same time you need to subtract. అప్పుడు ఏమైతది? b square cancel అయిపోతే same terms you will get. Children, try to understand. మనం 10th class లో నేర్చుకుంటాం completing the square method. Here also we are doing the same thing. x square ని x whole square గా రాసుకుంటే minus 4x ని 2 into x into 2 I mean 2ab term గా రాసుకున్నాం. తర్వాత we don't have b square term, we added. Once if we add at the same time we need to subtract. అది మన ప్రొసీజర్. ఓకేనా? సో ఇక్కడ b in the sense 2, right? Here the value of b is 2. అంటే ఒకసారి 2 square యాడ్ చేయాలి, ఇంకోసారి 2 square subtract చేయాలి. Right? Now second one plus 16 into మళ్ళీ సేమ్ y square ని I can write as y whole square plus actually we have here 2y. I can write as 2 into y into 1. I mean which is in the form of a square plus 2ab. ఇక్కడ a value what? A value y and b value 1. And once we have to add b square at the same time we need to subtract b square. So we should add 1 square and we should subtract 1 square minus 92 equal to 0. Okay? So this is our procedure, children. ఈ స్టెప్ అర్థం కాకపోతే ఇంకా టోటల్ సమ్ అర్థం కాదు. ఏం చేస్తాము? x స్క్వేర్ ని x హోల్ స్క్వేర్ గాను minus 4x ని 2 into x into 2 గాను రాసుకుంటే b వాల్యూ 2 కనుక once we added once we subtracted. ఇక్కడ కూడా y స్క్వేర్ ని y హోల్ స్క్వేర్ గా రాసుకున్నాం, 2y ని 2 into y into 1 గా రాసుకున్నాం. ఇక్కడ b వాల్యూ 1 కనుక 1 స్క్వేర్ యాడ్ చేసాం, 1 స్క్వేర్ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసాం. minus 92 as it is, right? So 9 into, how can I write as x square minus 2x into 2 plus 2 square? I can write as x minus 2 whole square, a minus b whole square. Minus 2 square ante 4 plus 16 into y square plus 2 into y into 1 plus 1 square. I can write as y plus 1 whole square. Minus 1 minus 92 equal to 0. So 9 into x minus 2 whole square minus 9 4 is 36. 16 into y plus 1 whole square minus 16 1 is 16 minus 92 equal to 0. So 9 into x minus 2 whole square plus 16 into y plus 1 whole square, 36 plus 16 36 16 92 14 10 11 plus 3 144 which is equal to 144. I transpose towards right hand side, we got 144. How can I write as this? 9 into x minus 2 whole square by 144 plus 16 into y plus 1 whole square by 144 equal to 144 by 144. 9 1 ja 9 16 ja 16 1 ja 16 9 ja 144 1 ja 1 ja. X minus 2 whole square by 16 plus y plus 1 whole square by 9 equal to 1. Okay, this is the second equation of the ellipse which is in the form of x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square equal to 1. ఎట్లా వచ్చింది ఇది? ఏ ఫార్ములా ఉంది? x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square equal to 1. Here what is the value of a square, children? As the value of a square is 16 and the value of b square is 9. Now let us find the first one. What is the first one they are asking to find? They are asking to find the eccentricity. What is the formula of eccentricity? E equal to root over a square minus b square by a square. Okay. So first one is eccentricity equal to root over a square minus b square by a square. Root over a square value 16 minus 9 by 16. 16 minus 9 7. Root 7 by root 16 means 4. So eccentricity equal to root 7 by 4. Next one is second one is foci, coordinates of the foci f equal to, children, as we have, it is in the form of x minus h whole square by a square. So foci is what? H plus or minus ae comma h plus or minus ae comma k. So here we have center h and k, we have h value is 2 and k value is minus 1. In the previous problem number 1, we don't have center, we call it as 0, right? So h value here, what is the value of h here? H value 2 plus or minus a square equal to 16, a value 4 into e value is root 7 by 4 comma k value is minus 1. 4 gets cancelled, f equal to 2 plus or minus root 7 comma minus 1. That is the coordinates of foci. And then third one is length of latus rectum, L equal to 2b square, L equal to 2b square by a. 2 into b square value 9 by a, that is equal to 4. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, which is equal to 9 by 2. Fourth question is equation of directrix x equal to h plus or minus a by e. X equal to h plus or minus a by e. H value 2 plus or minus a value 4 by e value is root 7 by 4, right? So x equal to 2 plus or minus 16 by root 7. If you want to transpose, you can transpose. Till there also we can leave it. Okay, nothing means you can take 1. So LCM x equal to root 7, I mean it will become 2 root 7 plus or minus 16. Cross multiplication, root 7x equal to 2 root 7 plus or minus 16. Children, did you understand? This is our second method of problem. How to find the eccentricity, coordinates of foci, length of latus rectum and equation of directrix of the ellipse, which is in the form of equation of the ellipse of standard form 2. That is x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square equal to 1. Children, these are the types of problems they are going to ask in the board models. Okay, so don't forget to after watching the video you need to practice, then only you can. So children, don't forget to hit subscribe button, like it and share it with your friends. Thank you.